ॐ भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां सुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान्स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्य स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। In Mandukya Upanishad, we are seeing the Upodghata, that is introduction, where the Anubandha Chatushtaya was explained, and thereafter the Vishaya, the subject matter of each chapter, Agama Prakarana, Vaitathya Prakarana, Advaita Prakarana and Alata Shanti Prakarana, each chapter's Prameya was explained, and it was said that all of that culminates in Jiva Brahma Aikya, the Mukhya Vishaya. Then a question was raised, how can knowledge of Omkara result in Atma Jnanam? If I want Atma Pratipatti, then Omkara Nirnaya, how will it help me in Atma Jnanam, Atma Pratipatti? So in that context, it was said that we have the Vyapti from Shruti. What is that? That whatever is Om is Atma, and whatever is Atma is Om. This will be said later. Matrascha Padaha, Padascha Matraha. The Pada of Atma, they are equivalent to Matra of Omkara, and Matra of Omkara, they are equivalent to Pada of Atma. So there is Samavyapti. Dhuma and Vanni doesn't have Samavyapti. Yatra yatra Dhumaha tatra tatra Vanni is there, but yatra yatra Vanni tatra tatra Dhuma, this kind of Vyapti is not there. But in this case, it is Samavyapti, and it is not Vyapti available from the Laukika Pramana, it is available from Shruti. So up to that we had seen. Now you see further in Tika. Page number 10, 5th line from top. Tatra mrutyuna nachiketasam prati. Everybody found? Page number 10, tika, 5th line from top. तत्र मृत्युना नचिकेतसं प्रति ओम इत्येतद् इत्यनेन वाक्येन ब्रह्मत्वेन ओम इत्येतद् उपदिष्टम्. सो कठोपनिषद इज वेयर यमाचार्य मृत्युना नचिकेतसं प्रति टुवर्ड्स नचिकेता ओम इत्येतद् इति अनेन वाक्येन ब्रह्मत्वेन ओम इति एतद् उपदिष्टम्. सो ओम is taught as Brahma. That is what is said. Upadishtam. Brahmatvena Om iti etad upadishtam. समाहितेन ओंकारोच्चारणे यत् चैतन्यं स्फुरति तद ओंकार सामीप्यात् एव. when we are समाहित टिप्पणी नंबर 5. मृत्युवाक्ये विवक्षितम् ओंकारस्य ब्रह्मत्वं व्यनक्ति. मृत्युवाक्य मीन्स मृत्युना प्रोक्तम वाक्यम मृत्युवाक्तम वाक्यम. what Yamacharya said, in that what is vivakshita is ओंकार is Brahma, that is explained samahitena ityadina. यद्यपि वर्णांतरोच्चारणे अपि एतत् तुल्यं तथापि ओंकार एव तथात्वेन वेदाभिमत इति अवधेयम्. So here what is said by Anand Giriji, that when you are samahita and you chant Om, then that Chaitanya which is Sphurati means that Chaitanya which expresses, it is very proximate, very close to Om. So Chaitanya is closest to Om when you chant that Om. But that is a literal thing which is explained. But in Tippani what is said is Onkar eva Chaitanyam. Onkar eva tathatvena Veda Abhimata iti avadeyam. This we should understand. So two things. One is what Yamacharya told Nachiketa is Om is Brahma. But when I chant Om with Samahita mana means when mind is very calm and has already studied Shastra. In that mind, when Om is chanted, then that Chaitanya Sphuranam which takes place means the Sakshi at that moment devoid of all other Vikshepa and free from the Avarana, because I am paying attention to that Sakshi of that Om as myself. Then in that Chaitanya expression is what is recognized as Om, that is closest to Om. Onkar samipyadeva शाखा चंद्र न्यायेन ओंकार शब्देन लक्ष्यते. And that's why this is a great sadhana. The pranava japa either you call or you do this, that you go on chanting Om. So for Mahatmas also, those who don't have any part, any lectures on that day, and if you have time, then instead of remembering this shloka, that mantra, this sutra, etc., you can just do Om and understand this Om is expressing that Brahma I am, which is everywhere, front, back, left, right, up, down, outside and inside. That is who I am. शाखा चंद्र न्यायन ओंकार शब्देन, सी टीका नंबर टिप्पणी नंबर 6. शाखा चंद्र इति यथा शाखायां चंद्रः इत्यस्य शाखा समीपवर्तित्वोपलक्षित आकाशे चंद्रः इत्यर्थस्तद्वत् स्वसमीपत्वरूपेण उपलक्षणभूतेन ओंकार शब्देनेत्यर्थः. यथा शाखायाम चंद्र, so moon is never in the branches, but the expression when we say moon is in the branches means through those branches you have to look for the moon. Shakha samipavartitva, it is very proximate, not that it is close. Shakha is here, Chandra is somewhere. In the same way, another way of saying is शाखा समीपवर्तित्व उपलक्षिते आकाशे चंद्रः इत्यर्थः. तद्वत् स्वसमीपत्व रूपेण उपलक्षणभूतेन ओंकार शब्देन, स्वसमीपत्व रूपेण उपलक्षणभूतेन, that which is very close, very proximate, समीपत्व रूपेण उपलक्षणभूतेन, that which is the उपलक्षण, ओंकार शब्देन इत्यर्थः. So ओंकार शब्द is close to my swarupa, swasamipa. Like Chandrama is proximate to Shakha, which it is not, but Shakha is useful for indicating Chandrama. In the same way, Onkara is useful for recognizing my nature. How? So that is what it said in Samahita Avastha when I chant in that way. Onkar samipyam hi chaitanye samipavarti onkara eva. Onkar samipyam, the proximity of Om to Chaitanya, is what is said by Chaitanya samipavarti onkara. In Chaitanya, Onkara is very close in that way. Iti. And Lakshanaya means Samipya Sambandhatmikaya ityartha. Tena Lakshanaya. Lakshanaya means Samipya Sambandhatmikaya Onkar Nirnayo Brahmadhi Hetu Riti Vivakshitva Shrutim Udaharati. Through Lakshana, when Omkar Nirnaya is done, it is Brahma Jnana Hetu. It will become the cause for Brahma Jnanam. In other words, if anybody wants Brahma Jnanam, they can do Omkar Nirnaya. It is an easier way. So there are so many methods that you know, different Upanishads adopt different methods. Drigdrishya Viveka is one method, Panchakosha Viveka is another method, Shariratraya Viveka is one method. Here, Onkara Nirnaya method, and in that Avasthatraya Viveka. Then Drishti Srishti Vada is there. So, different ways a thing can be explained. And one is the method of all negation. Truth is pointed out, and then once it is pointed out, all negation methods are done until everything is negated. So, Lakshanaya Onkar Nirnayo ब्रह्मदि हेतुरिति विवक्षित्वा श्रुतिम उदाहरति. नाउ श्रुति उदाहरण इज गिवन ओम इत्येतदिति. प्रतिमायाम ओ फर्स्ट सी भाष्य ओम इत्येतत्. दिस ओम इत्येतत् इज कठोपनिषद मंत्र. सर्वे वेदाः यत् पदमामनन्ति तपांसि सर्वाणि च यद् वदन्ति यदिच्छन्तो ब्रह्मचर्यं चरन्ति तत्ते पदं संग्रहेण ब्रवीमि ओम इत्येतत्. I think this is 15, 1 to 15. So there itself it is clear what is the essence of Vedas. Sarve Vedaha yat padam amananti. That abode, that goal which is presented by all the Vedas. Sarve Vedaha yat padam amananti. Tapamsi sarvani cha yad vadanti. And all the tapas also talks of this. Yad icchanto brahmacharyam charanti. Desiring which the one means all sadhaka performs brahmacharya, gurukulvasa, adhyanadi. That padam in essence is called om. Om ityetat. So it is very clear. That is the essence of Vedas, for which everybody is putting forth effort, doing sadhana, gurukul vasa. That is Brahma. So Om iti etat. टीका. विष्णु बुद्धिवद ओंकारो ब्रह्म बुद्ध्योपास्यमानो ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्त्युपायो भवति इत्यभिप्रेत्य वाक्यांतरम पठति. विष्णु बुद्धिवद ओंकारो ब्रह्म बुद्ध्युपास्यमानो. How Vishnu Buddhi is created in Shalagram. In the same way, Onkaro Brahma Buddhya Upasyamanaha. Onkara is meditated upon with Brahma Buddhi. Brahma Buddhya Upasyamano. Brahma Pratipatti Upayo Bhavati iti abhipretya. It becomes the Brahma Pratipatti Upaya. Means for Brahma Jnanam. Iti abhipretya Vakyantaram Pathati. Another Vakya is commented or quoted. Another Vakya is quoted. Vakyantaram Pathati. So again, what is constantly mentioned here is Onkaro Brahma Pratipatti Upayo Bhavati. Onkar is Brahma Pratipatti. Actually, this is a great sadhana. If somebody can start with 15 minutes, just do Om and observe yourself. Observe as witness of this Onkara. Sound only. Nada Brahma. And you are witness. Nada Brahma means this Nada is what you are witnessing, and Nada is indicative of Brahma. 15 minutes, then you can increase to half hour, etc. Etad alambanam iti. In Moolam, etad alambanam. Etadalambanam sreshtham, etadalambanam param, etadalambanam jnatva, brahmaloke mahiyate. Mahiyate. So this is 1 to 17 Kathopanishad. This is also Kathopanishad. Kincha अयम ओंकारो यदा परापर ब्रह्म दृष्टिया उपास्यते तदा तद ज्ञानोपायताम उपारोहति इति मत्वा पुनः श्रुतिम दर्शयति. किंच मोरोवर अयम ओंकार दिस ओंकार यदा परापर ब्रह्म दृष्ट्या उपास्यते परब्रह्म एंड अपर ब्रह्म. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो सेड इन कठोपनिषद एतद आलंबनम श्रेष्ठम एतद आलंबनम परम. एंड देन इट इज सेड this is apara brahma also and para brahma also in 16 1 to 16 I think it is said yo yad ichhati tasya tat. If you want apara brahma you can get apara brahma through upasana, and if you want para brahma you can get para brahma through jnanam. अयम ओंकारो यदा परापर ब्रह्म दृष्ट्या उपास्यते तदा तज्ज्ञानोपायताम उपारोहति इति मत्वा. देन दिस ब्रह्म ज्ञान उपायताम उपारोहति. ज्ञान उपाय, दिस इज द उपाय. व्हाट इज उपाय? उपादायापि ये ज्ञेयाः उपायास्ते प्रकीर्तिताः. उपादाय, having taken, then you know something and then you leave it. This is called upaya. Like car, you use car, you go somewhere and you leave your car, any vehicle, and you reach your destination. So Onkar is Brahma Pratipatti Upaya. ज्ञान उपायताम उपारोहति. उपारोहति मीन्स यू टेक इट इति मत्वा पुनः श्रुतिम दर्शयति. उपसर्गपूर्वक आंग उपसर्गपूर्वक रूह धातु. उपारोहति मीन्स क्लाइम्स. सो इट टेक्स ज्ञान उपायताम उपारोहति ओंकारः. So 8 number टिप्पणी you see. पुनः श्रुतिमिति समानार्थ श्रुत्यंतरम इत्यर्थ. पुनः श्रुति means once again means another shruti in different Upanishad. Now up till now it was Kathopanishad. Now etadvai satyakama, this is Prashnopanishad. Fifth question in Prashnopanishad out of 6 questions to Pippalada Muni. Kincha, further in Tika, samadhinishto यदा ओम इत्युच्चार्य आत्मानम् अनुसंधत्ते तदा स्थूलम आकारम उकारे सूक्ष्मे तम च कारणे मकारे तमपि कार्यकारणातीते प्रत्यगात्मनि उपसंहृत्य तन्निष्ठो भवति इति अनेन प्रकारेण ओंकारस्य तत्प्रतिपत्त्युपाय उपायता इति विधांतरेण आह. समाधिनिष्ठः, सी 9 नंबर टिप्पणी. समाधिनिष्ठः समाहितचेतः. So what was said earlier also, with calm mind, no other agenda, nothing else that I want now, only abidance in the truth. With such samahita chitta, this is called samadhinishta. Onkar uchcharanam, when he does, yada om ityucharya atmanam anusandhatte, and he meditates on atma, he does anusandhanam, means dhyanam, chintanam of atma. How? As sakshi of this shabda. Sandhatya. Tada, at that time, sthulam akaram. Akara is sthula. Ukare sukshme. So, what is the kriya pada here? Upasamhritya. Sthulam akaram उकारे सूक्ष्मे उपसंहृत्य तं च कारणे मकारे उपसंहृत्य तमपि कार्यकारणातीते प्रत्यगात्मनि उपसंहृत्य. उपसंहृत्य will be repeated. If you want, you just underline that and somehow let yourself know. Tannishto bhavati. Then he becomes tannishta. Tannishta means karya karanatite pratyagatmani nishtho bhavati. So he starts with sthula. When he chants a in the Om with the understanding of a, entire sthula prapancha with pratyagatma comes. Then he merges that into sukshma. This is the laya prakriya. In Vedanta Sara, in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, etc., this is explained. Laya. Then in the Karana, Makara. And then Karya Karana Atita. Very nice. प्रत्यगात्मनि उपसंहृत्य तन्निष्ठो भवति इति अनेन प्रकारेण ओंकारस्य तत्प्रतिपत्ति उपायता. ओंकारस्य तत्प्रतिपत्ति उपायता. तत्प्रतिपत्ति प्रत्यगात्म प्रतिपत्ति. It is useful for the knowledge of प्रत्यगात्मा. प्रत्यगात्म प्रतिपत्ति उपायता इति विधांतरेण आह. विधांतरेण means in another vidhanam in Shastra. How? So that's why like a vidhi vakya is given. Vidhiling. Omityatmanam yunjita. Omityatmanam yunjita is Maitrayani Upanishad. 6.3. 6th chapter 3rd mantra, I think. Om iti atmanam yunjita. So, chanting Om, you connect to yourself, Atma. So, this is a great meditation practice. Kincha योयम स्थाणुः सपुमान इतिवत् यद एतद ओम इत्युच्यते तद ब्रह्म इति. योयम स्थाणुः सपुमान. Whatever is this post that you see is actually a person. Itivat, like that. Yad etad om ityuchyate tad brahma. What you say is om is actually Brahma. So sthanu is not Puman directly. So sthanu cannot be Puman. Therefore, Bad Samanadikaranya you have to adopt. In the same way, Om is Brahma, in that Bad Samanadikaranya is also used. Tippani number 10. Badhayam Samanadikaranya Samahito Brahma Bodhyate. Again here also, for a Samahit person, Samadhi, third time it is given. Samahita, Samadhinishtha. So for anybody who just chants Om without proper Shastra Samskara or preparation, that person will not understand anything. But a person who has studied and understood, that person will gain a lot. Tika Badhayamiti. I mean Tippani 10 number Badhaya. Aropita Tadatmya Bhavo Badha Tad Vishayaka Bodhajanakam Yat Padayoho Samanadikaranyam Samana Vibhaktikatvam Tena Ityarthaha. Aropita Tadatmya Bhavo. बाधा। तादात्म्य भाव और अभाव। लेट मी जस्ट सी। Okay, abhava is okay. Aropita tadatmya. What tadatmya means? Superimposition that you have created, that is negated. Its negation, abhava, its absence is called badha. तद विषयक बोधजनकम यत् पदयोः सामानाधिकरण्यम समान विभक्तिकत्वम तेन इत्यर्थः. So padayoho samanadhikaranayam, which pada, those padas which are revealing aropita tadatmya abhava. So the superimposed identification is negated by those pada through the jnanam. How? Because thanu cannot be puman in this way. Padayoho samanadhikaranyam. Samanadhikaranyam samana vibhaktikatvam. But samanadhikaranyam actually means भिन्न प्रवृत्ति निमित्तानाम एकस्मिन् अर्थे प्रवृत्ति सामानाधिकरण्यम. So their pravritti nimitta is different, but their vritti or pravritti is one thing. Starts at different place, ends in one. And they have samana vibhakti also. And how, that is explained further. अन्वय व्यतिरेका भाव परिहारेण ओंकारस्य ब्रह्म मात्रत्वं बोध्यते इति यावत्. थ्रू अन्वय व्यतिरेक अभाव parihara, parihara means elimination, means through anvaya vyatireka abhava, if it is there, then one cannot be the other. But if anvaya vyatireka abhava parihara is done, then omkarasya brahma matratvam, omkara is brahma alone, brahma matratvam bodhyate iti yavat. ओंकारस्य ब्रह्मणि तादात्म्य रूपो यो अन्वयः संसर्गः. ओंकारस्य ब्रह्मणि तादात्म्य रूपो यो अन्वयः. So first अन्वय is explained. ओंकारस्य ब्रह्मणि तादात्म्य, ओंकार having तादात्म्य in ब्रह्म, यो अन्वयः संसर्गः. तद्रूपो यः ओंकारस्य ब्रह्म व्यतिरेकेण अभावः. सो व्हाट इज अन्वय? ओंकार इज ब्रह्म, ओंकारस्य ब्रह्मणि तादात्म्य रूपो, दिस इज अन्वय संसर्ग. एंड तद्रूपो य ओंकारस्य ब्रह्म व्यतिरेकेण अभाव. ओंकार इन द So when Brahma is, Onkar is. And when Brahma is not, Onkar is not. Brahma vyatirekena Onkarasya abhavah. Onkarasya Brahmani samsargah and Brahma vyatireke, मतलब Brahma abhave Onkar abhava. Brahma sattve Onkar sattvam, Brahma abhave Onkar abhava. And in this way, Brahma has satta, Onkar doesn't have satta. Like Mrit sattve ghata sattvam, Mrid abhave ghata abhava. सो देयरफॉर मृदेव सत्यम घट तु वाचारंभण मात्रम. इन दैट वे ब्रह्म सत्वे ओंकार सत्वम. ब्रह्म भावे ओंकार अभाव. सो देन ओंकार इज नथिंग बट वाचारंभण ऑफ ब्रह्म. तत्परिहारेण तस्य अभाव बोधनेन इत्यर्थः. सो ब्रह्म व्यतिरेकेण ओंकारस्य अभावः. तत्परिहारेण तस्य अभाव बोधनेन. तत्परिहारेण, सो व्हेन ब्रह्म अभाव इज नॉट देयर, then ओंकार अभाव also will not be there. In other words, onkara is recognized but only when the satta is available through Brahma. So in the absence of Brahma, onkara abhav is there. So in this way, this is badhayam samanadikaranya. If rajju is not there, then you cannot see sarpa. But rajju is sarpa when you say, you have to understand badhayam samanadikaranyena samahito ब्रह्म बोध्यते. समाहित चित्त पुरुष ब्रह्म बोध्यते. तथा च युक्तम ओंकारस्य ब्रह्म ज्ञान हेतुत्वम इत्याह. सो दिस वन, हाँ, तथा च युक्तम ओंकारस्य ब्रह्म ज्ञान हेतु. एंड देयरफॉर ओंकार इज ब्रह्म ज्ञान हेतु. यू सी, सो मेनी पॉइंटर्स आर गिवन, सो मच जस्टिफिकेशन इज डन टू शो ओंकार इज ब्रह्म ज्ञान हेतु. मीन्स ओंकार निर्णय, ओंकार साधना विल हेल्प यू गिव ब्रह्म ज्ञानम. ओंकार निर्णय मीन्स ओंकार विचार. Vichara as it is done here elaborately, but otherwise also once you have assimilated, you can just dwell on it. Om iti Brahma iti. This is Taittiriya Upanishad, Shikshavalli, Prathamadhyaya, 8th Anuvaka. Only one mantra is there. Om iti Brahma, Om iti Dagam Sarvam. So there it is this Badhayam Samanadikaranyam. किंच सर्वास्पदत्वाद ओंकारस्य ब्रह्मणश्च तथात्वाद एकलक्षणत्वाद अन्यत्वा सिद्धेः ओंकार प्रतिपत्तिर ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्तिरेवेत्याह. किंच मोरोवर सर्वास्पदत्वाद ओंकारस्य, ओंकार इज सर्वास्पद means it is indicating everything. Aspada means ashraya. It is the ashraya of all. It is the support of all. Sarvaspadatvad onkarasya brahmanascha. Brahma is also support of all. Therefore, as the substratum of all, they both are similar. Brahmanascha tathatvad ekalakshanattvad. Lakshana samanya vastu samanyam. So lakshana is samanam. Both are sarvaspada and therefore both are same. Anyatva asiddhehe, and therefore in them anyatva is not siddha. In fact, oneness is siddha, otherness is not siddha. Anyatva asiddhehe. ओंकार प्रतिपत्ति ही ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्तिरेव इत्याह. ओंकार प्रतिपत्ति itself is ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्ति, ब्रह्म ज्ञानम. ओंकार एव इदम सर्वम. This is Chandogya 2nd chapter 23rd section, 2nd mantra. But I am not very sure, so you check it. Onkar eva idam sarvam ityadi shrutibhyah. Later you can see the number. 223.3 is there. Okay. 223.3. Onkar eva idam sarvam. All this is nothing but Onkara. And idam sarvam brahma, idam sarvam yadayam atma. Such vakyas are there. Sarvam khalvidam brahma. So everything is brahma, everything is om, everything is atma. In this way they are sarvaspada. टीका फर्दर. ओम इतीदम सर्वम इत्यादि वाक्यांतर संग्रहार्थम आदिपदम इत्यादि श्रुतिभ्यो ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्ति उपायत्वम ओंकारस्य प्रमितम इति शेषः. ओम इति इदम सर्वम. ओम इज ऑल दिस. इत्यादि वाक्यांतर संग्रहार्थम. So all other, when it is said ityadi, is all other statements, whatever is not quoted here, they are also to be understood, their collection. Sangrahartham Adipadam ityadi shrutibhyo. Adipada is there in the ityadi shrutibhyo. Brahma pratipatti upayatvam onkarasya pramitam. By all these shrutis, ityadi shrutibhyah, Brahma pratipatti upayatvam, to gain the knowledge of Brahma, this is the means. Onkar is the means. And we saw all Vedas, Kathopanishad and Taittiriya Upanishad, Krishna Yajurveda, Samaveda, Chandogya, Prashnopanishad, Atharva Veda, here Mandukya, Atharva Veda. And then this Maitrayani Upanishad is there, and other Shrutis, wherever this Onkara Pratipadanam is done, like in Kaivalya Upanishad is there in brief, Amrita Bindu Upanishad also it is there in brief. So all Upanishads are talking of this. ब्रह्म प्रतिपत्ति उपायत्वम ओंकारस्य प्रमितम. प्रमितम ज्ञातम इति शेषः. ननु स्वानुगत प्रतिभासे सन्मात्रे चिदात्मनि प्राणादि विकल्पस्य कल्पितत्वात् आत्मनः सर्वास्पदत्वं न पुनरोंकारस्य तदस्ति अननुगमात् इति तत्राह. He says, Purvapakshi is asking a question. स्वानुगत प्रतिभा से सन्मात्र चिदात्मनि. इन चिदात्मा चैतन्य स्वरूप आत्मा विच इज सन्मात्र स्व अनुगत प्रतिभास, विच इज फॉलोइंग द which is followed by all the knowledge. Swa Anugata Pratibhasa. So all cognitions which are there through Chidabhasa, they all follow the Atma, or they all lead to the Mukhya Chaitanya, Pradhana Chaitanya, this Chidabhasa. And in that Pranadi Vikalpa are Kalpita. Pranadi means from Hiranyagarbha onwards in Samashti, and in Vyashti at the level of individual prana etc. They all are Kalpita. This Pranadi, so you have to remember now, wherever this Pranadi word will come, Pranadi you should understand Prana iti Prana Vidaha etc. प्राणादि विकल्पस्य कल्पितत्वात् आत्मनः सर्वास्पदत्वम्. आत्मा is सर्वास्पद. Atma is the essence of all. आत्मनः सर्वास्पदत्वं न पुनः ओंकारस्य, but not of the ओंकार. ओंकार is not सर्वास्पद. You say Atma is ashraya of all because everything leads to Atma, and in Atma pranadi are kalpita. But the same is not true for Onkara. न पुनः ओंकारस्य तदस्ति. Why ananugamat? Because everything is not having anugama of Om. Everything is having anugama of Atma. तत्र आह रज्ज्वादिरेवीति. मूलम means भाष्य. रज्ज्वादिरिव सर्पादि विकल्पस्य आस्पदो अद्वय आत्मा परमार्थः सन् प्राणादि विकल्पस्य आस्पदो यथा तथा सर्वोपि वाक् प्रपंचः प्राणाद्यात्म विकल्प विषय ओंकार एव. यथा रज्जुः रज्ज्वादिरिव सर्पादि विकल्पस्य आस्पदः. रज्ज्वादि इव सर्पादि विकल्पस्य आश्रय मीन्स रज्जु इज आस्पद और आश्रय ऑफ सर्पादि. देन शुक्तिका इज आश्रय ऑफ रजतादि. देन मरुमरीचिका इज द आश्रय ऑफ जलादि. इन दिस वे आत्मा इज आस्पद आश्रय ऑफ प्राणादि विकल्प, विच आत्मा अद्वय अद्वितीय परमार्थ सन. अद्वय आत्मा अद्वितीय आत्मा बीइंग परमार्थ इज द आस्पद आश्रय ऑफ ऑल विकल्प प्राणादि. प्राण इति प्राणविदः. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम देयर यू हैव टू टेक ऑल विकल्पस. यथा just as this is the case, in the same way Purvapakshi said Onkara is not aspada. Siddhanta is saying no, Onkara is also aspada. तथा सर्वोपि वाक् प्रपंचः प्राणादि आत्म विकल्प विषय ओंकार एव. All वाक् प्रपंच is resting in Om. All the padarthas are resting in Brahma. And वाक् प्रपंच is resting in Om. सर्वोपि वाक् प्रपंचः प्राणादि आत्म विकल्प विषय ओंकार एव. All of that is ओंकार. Means ओंकार is the आस्पद of all. टीका. यथा रज्जुः शुक्ति यथा रज्जुः यथा रज्जुः शुक्तिः इत्यादिः अधिष्ठान विशेषः सर्पो रजतम इत्यादि विकल्पस्य आस्पदो अभ्युपगतः. रज्जु is the अधिष्ठान विशेष फॉर सर्प, शुक्ति is अधिष्ठान विशेष फॉर रजतम इत्यादि विकल्पस्य आस्पदो अभ्युपगतस्. तथा इन द सेम वे आत्मा अद्वयत्वात्, आत्मा बीइंग अद्वितीय, मिथ्यात्व हेत्वाभावात्. आत्मा इज नॉट मिथ्या. आत्मा अद्वयत्वात् मिथ्यात्व हेत्वाभावात् परमार्थ सत्. There is no hetu which will decide Atma's mithyatva. Therefore, Atma is not mithya, but other things are mithya. हेत्व भावात् परमार्थ सत् स्वभावो वक्ष्यमाण प्राणादि विकल्पस्य आस्पदो अभ्युपगम्यते. वक्ष्यमाण प्राणादि विकल्पस्य आस्पदो अभ्युपगम्यते. So these pranadi vikalpas which will be mentioned later, vakshyamana, later in the second chapter they will be elaborated. Its aspada, ashraya, abhyupagamyate, svikriyate is accepted. यथा एषः दृष्टान्तस् तथैव प्राणादिरात्मविकल्पो यस्तद्विषयः सर्वो वाक्यप्रपञ्चो यथोक्त ओंकार मात्रात्मकस्तदास्पदो गम्यते. यथा एष दृष्टांत तथा एव इन द सेम वे प्राणादिरात्मविकल्पो यह तद विषयः सर्वो वाक्य प्रपंचो. जस्ट एज इन द एग्जाम्पल pranadi vikalpas have atma as the ashraya. In the same way, so this is helpful when we do onkar sadhana, because I need some similarity, some connection. So what is said, entire vak prapancha, sarvo vak prapancha tad vishayah, all the words are resting in Om. Means from Om alone everything arises. By Om alone all words are sustained. Akar, Ukar, Makar in this way. And in Om alone everything culminates. And therefore Sarvo Vakya Prapancho Yathokta Onkar Matratmakaha Onkar Matratmakaha ओंकार मात्रम. ओंकार मात्रात्मकः मीन्स ओंकार ओंकारत्वे सति ओंकार व्यतिरिक्ते तद अभावः. दैट इज कॉल्ड ओंकार मात्र. इट इज ओनली ओंकार मीन्स इट इज ओंकार एंड एब्सेंस ऑफ अदर थिंग्स लाइक दैट. तदास्पदो गम्यते. न च जगत्योंकारस्य अननुगमः. जगति ओंकारस्य अननुगमः इति न. मीन्स जगति ओंकारस्य अनुगमो अस्ति. इन जगत also ओंकार is there. In Vak Prapancha it is there, and everything originates from words only. That will be further explained. ओंकारेण सर्वा वाक् संतृण्णा इति श्रुतेः. By ओंकार alone all vani, all words are संतृण्णा. They are all संतृण्णा means everything is cut by it. Everything is broken by ओंकार. Everything is literally it means cutting, but what it means is ओंकार is everywhere. In all speeches everything is interwoven in Om. अतः युक्तम ओंकारस्य सर्वास्पदत्वम इत्यर्थः. And therefore ओंकारस्य सर्वास्पदत्वम is appropriate. Therefore ओंकार is all. In this way you can understand, you can do dhyanam, etc. So you see, this is easy. Instead of doing dhyanam of entire Brahmanda, when I understand entire Brahmanda is nothing but Om, Sthula, Sukshma, Karana, everything is covered in Om, then all I need to do is dhyanam of only Om. So that is easy. So when I do Shravanam, I understand this mapping between Onkara and Atma. Onkara and entire prapancha, and I understand entire prapancha is resting in Om. Then when I do dhyanam, I just take Om, and then every time when I chant Om Om, this understanding is already there, that I have already established this connection. Nanu couple of lines we'll see. अर्थजातस्य आत्मास्पदत्वाद् ओंकारास्पदत्वाच्च वाक् प्रपंचस्य प्राप्तम द्वयम इति और द्वयत्वम इति नित्याः. अर्थजातस्य आत्मास्पदत्वात्, एवरीथिंग whatever is अर्थ means the vishaya, their aspada is atma, and entire vak prapancha has onkara as aspada. अर्थजातस्य आत्मास्पदत्वात् वाक् प्रपंचस्य ओंकारास्पदत्वाच्च प्राप्तम आस्पदद्वयम. Now you have two supports, ओम आत्मा इति नित्याः. मूलम स च आत्मस्वरूपमेव. स ओंकार is आत्मस्वरूप itself, so there are not two. तद अभिधायकत्वात्, so there is abhidhana and abhidheya, this sambandha is there. तद अभिधायकत्वात्. in टीका आत्मवाचकत्वे अपि न अस्ति ओंकारस्य आत्ममात्रत्वं तद्वाचकस्य तन्मात्रत्वम् इति व्याप्ति अभावात्. आत्मवाचकत्वे अपि नास्ति ओंकारस्य आत्ममात्रत्वं. दिस इज द डाउट रेस्ड by पूर्वपक्षी. Even though it is आत्मवाचक, maybe it is not only आत्मा. ओंकारस्य न आत्ममात्रत्वं तद्वाचकस्य तन्मात्रत्वम् इति व्याप्ति अभावात्. There is no such vyapti that tadvachaka is tanmatra only. Means clay and pot, you take example. So ghataha is mrit vachaka. So instead of pot you can say clay. Instead of kamandalu you can say clay. Instead of jug you can say clay. But clay is not only pot. That is what is said. तद वाचकस्य तन्मात्रत्वम् इति व्याप्ति अभावात्. प्राणादेहे आत्मविकल्पस्य अभिधान व्यतिरेक दर्शनात् इति आशंक्य. प्राणादेहे आत्मविकल्प. Pranadi are all vikalpa of Atma, but they all have abhidhana vyatireka darshanat. You can refer to them by different. I gave simpler example, clay and so many articles of clay. Here he is giving Atma and Prana, Desha, Kala, Graha, Veda, Devatas, all of that. They all have different abhidhana, and everything is, you can refer to all of that as Atma. Therefore Atma is not only one thing, Atma can be more. So if you say Onkara is Atma, Onkara can mean more than Atma also. Iti ashankyaha Onkar vikar shabda videyascha sarvaha pranadi atma vikalpo abhidhana vyatirekena nasti. ओंकार विकार शब्द अभिधेयश्च सर्वः प्राणादि, all प्राणादि आत्म विकल्प, they all can be referred by ओंकार शब्द, which is विकार of ओंकार, कार्य of ओंकार, ओंकार विकार शब्द अभिधेय. And अभिधान व्यतिरेकण नास्ति. Other than words, they are nothing else. They are only words. प्राण, देवता, वेदास, देश, काल, ग्रह, महाभूत, स्त्रीलिंग, पुलिंग, नपुंसकलिंग, everything whatever is there, they all are only words. अभिधान व्यतिरेकेण नास्ति. वाचारंभणम विकारो नामधेयम. So Shruti itself says they are only words. तद अस्य इदम वाचा तंत्या नामभिर दामभिः सर्वं सितम. By the thread called name, damabhihi, by the dama means the rope, What is that rope? Vacha is the tantu. Vacha tantya. Namabhi, by all the names. Idam, sarvam, sitam. All this is connected. All this is woven. Up to this we keep. We'll see the tika in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om.